QRZ, QRZ, this is Kilowatt Baker 3W, Kilowatt Baker 3W, Las Vegas 29.6 FM, over. CQ10 FM, CQ10 FM, we're calling CQ10 meters FM, CQ10 FM, this is Kilowatt Baker 3W, Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB3 Whiskey, Las Vegas, Nevada, listening on 10 FM, 29.6. CQ 29.6, CQ 29.6, hello 29.6 CQ FM, this is Kilowatt Baker 3W, Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB 3W, Las Vegas, Nevada, listening on 29.6 FM. CQ 29.6 FM, CQ 29.6 FM, calling CQ 29.6 FM. This is Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB 3 Whiskey, Kilowatt Baker 3W, Las Vegas, Nevada, listening. Anyway, there is some FM activity on here. Let's go to upper sideband and check out lower 10 meters. I'll start this thing at 29 or 28 megacycles, maybe 28.4. So we can go enter 2842, enter. There we go, upper sideband.
Like 7 or 8 o'clock between that and midnight, so I might have, I got a fairly fair-sized driveway and I do it with a tractor, so I'm
Here is Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB3 Whiskey, Las Vegas, Nevada, listening.
Okay, Randy. Yeah, I've got the amplifier on now. You might notice the difference. Yeah, very good. I heard the Kilo Hotel 6. I didn't, the first go around, I didn't pick up on the stroke W0.
I've been here for maybe 1.5 hours testing the propagation, and I received a lot of stations from U.S. in very good way, but KDX 101MP, microphone to House 781, and the antenna is a 6-element mono Yagi, Roger. Just having fun, but just go out there and... Alright, before Asian countries, Okay,
This radio today is like shooting fish in a barrel. Let's try the other band here. 24, let's try, let's see, 18 megahertz, try that. Let's try the FM again on 10 meters. That's a lot of fun. 29.6. So enter 296. 29.6. Enter FM mode. See what's going on here. Nothing. QRZ 29.6, QRZ 29.6, hello 29.6, CQ 29.6, CQ 29.6, CQ 29.6. This is Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB 3 Whiskey, Las Vegas, Nevada. Listening. QRZ 29.6, QRZ 29.6. This is Kilowatt Baker 3W, Kilowatt Baker 3W. QRZ 29.6, QRZ 29.6. This is Kilowatt Baker 3W, KB 3 Whiskey, Las Vegas, Nevada. Listening. Oh, looks like nobody on there. No big deal. Go back to lower sideband. Try going to 40 meters here. And see what's happening. Excuse me.
Been mostly sunny.
What about 160 for AM stations? Not quite sure how to tune that one. Here we go. Nope. Well, that kind of glitches out a bit. And there's two dots here. Okay, 160. It's only going to go in the 160 band. It doesn't go down below. That's fine. November 8, Ocean, Kilowatt, Baker 3W, KB3 Whiskey. KB3 Whiskey.
November 8, Oscar, 98,
Ocean, KB3W, Ocean, KB3 Whiskey. Kilowatt, Baker 3W.
November 8, Ocean, November 8. X-ray, Quebec 7, Italy, radio 10 meters.
Kilowatt, Baker 3W, KB3 Whiskey.
X-ray, Quebec 7, Italy.
All right, that's about it. I guess I should check the radio, make sure it transmits to KFS on 40 meters. See if it's really transmitting or not. It seems like it is, but no one's answered me yet. All right, well, thanks for watching. And again, this is a new to me 10 Tech Omni 6. It's not the Omni 6 Plus, and I forget what the Plus gets you on an Omni 6, but this seems like a really great radio to me. It seems sensitive. Lots of stuff on 10 meters and FM on 10 meters too. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.